Pepsi, the iconic cola, has a long and fascinating history. Caleb Bradham, a pharmacist, created the drink in 1893. Originally called Brad's Drink, it was sold at his drugstore in New Bern, North Carolina. The drink's popularity soared. It was renamed Pepsi Cola in 1898. Today, Pepsi is a global beverage giant. Its production process is a marvel of modern technology. PepsiCo, the parent company, operates massive factories worldwide. These factories are highly automated. Advanced machinery ensures efficiency and consistency in every bottle and can. The scale of production is staggering. Millions of gallons of Pepsi are produced daily. This is a testament to the drink's enduring appeal and the company's commitment to innovation. The exact recipe for Pepsi is a closely guarded secret, locked away in a vault and known only to a select few. However, we know the key ingredients that make up this iconic beverage. These include carbonated water, sugar, which adds the essential sweetness, and caramel color, phosphoric acid, which contributes to the tangy taste, caffeine for that energizing kick, natural flavors, and citric acid. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in the unique flavor profile of Pepsi, creating a symphony of flavors that dance on your taste buds. Water is the primary ingredient, making up the majority of the beverage. PepsiCo uses highly purified water, ensuring that every sip is as refreshing as the last. This rigorous purification process ensures consistency and purity in the final product, maintaining the high standards Pepsi is known for. Sugar provides not only sweetness but also a satisfying mouthfeel that enhances the overall drinking experience. Caramel color gives Pepsi its distinctive brown hue, making it visually appealing. Phosphoric acid adds a tartness that balances the sweetness, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. This balance is crucial, as it enhances the other flavors and ensures that no single ingredient overpowers the rest. Caffeine provides a slight kick, giving you that extra boost of energy. Natural flavors, a closely guarded secret, are crucial for Pepsi's unique taste, adding depth and complexity. Citric acid adds a citrusy note, brightening the overall flavor profile and adding a refreshing twist. This meticulous blending of ingredients ensures that every bottle of Pepsi delivers the same great taste time after time. The production of Pepsi begins with the creation of the syrup, a process that combines precision and expertise. This concentrated liquid contains all the essential flavoring agents that give Pepsi its unique taste. The process starts with dissolving sugar in purified water, a critical step to ensure the right sweetness. This creates a sugar solution, which forms the base of the syrup. The solution is then heated and carefully mixed to achieve the perfect consistency. This ensures the sugar dissolves completely, leaving no granules behind. Other ingredients, including caramel color, phosphoric acid, caffeine, and citric acid, are added in precise amounts to balance the flavor. The secret formula of natural flavors is then blended in, a closely guarded secret that gives Pepsi its signature taste. This is a highly controlled process, with technicians monitoring every step to ensure quality. Only a select few know the exact recipe, which is kept under tight security. The mixing process is crucial for consistency, ensuring that every batch meets the same high standards. It ensures that every batch of Pepsi tastes exactly the same, maintaining the brand's reputation for quality. After mixing, the syrup is cooled and stored in large, sterile tanks, ready for the next stage of production, where it will be carbonated and bottled. Carbonation is what gives Pepsi its signature fizz. The cooled syrup is transported to high-speed filling lines. Here, it undergoes a crucial transformation. The syrup is mixed with carbonated water. This process takes place in a closed system. This ensures the correct level of carbonation is achieved. The carbonation process is carefully controlled. Factors like temperature and pressure are precisely regulated. This ensures the perfect balance of fizz. Too little carbonation, and the drink would be flat. Too much, and it would be overly bubbly. The right amount of carbonation is crucial for the refreshing experience of Pepsi. Once carbonated, the beverage is ready for its final destination, bottles and cans. Section 5. Bottling Bonanza Packaging Efficiency at its finest. The bottling and canning process is a marvel of modern engineering. PepsiCo uses high-speed machines capable of filling thousands of containers per minute. The process begins with thoroughly cleaning and sterilizing the bottles and cans. This ensures the final product is safe and hygienic. The carbonated beverage is then dispensed into the containers. The filling machines are incredibly precise. They ensure that each bottle or can receives the exact amount of liquid. After filling, the containers are immediately sealed. This prevents contamination and preserves the freshness of the drink. The speed and efficiency of this process are truly impressive. It's a testament to the advancements in food and beverage technology. Section 6. Quality is king, ensuring Pepsi perfection. PepsiCo has rigorous quality control measures in place throughout the production process. This ensures that every drop of Pepsi meets the company's high standards. Samples are taken at various stages. These are tested for taste, color, clarity, and carbonation. This ensures consistency and quality. The company also uses advanced technology to detect any foreign objects or defects in the packaging. This ensures that only perfect products reach consumers. Pepsi's commitment to quality is evident in every step of the production process. This dedication has earned the trust of consumers worldwide. Section 7. From factory to the world, Pepsi's global journey. Once packaged, Pepsi embarks on its journey to consumers around the globe. The company has a vast distribution network. This includes trucks, trains, ships, and airplanes. This ensures that Pepsi reaches even the most remote corners of the world. PepsiCo works closely with retailers. This ensures that store shelves are always stocked with fresh Pepsi products. The company also invests heavily in marketing and advertising. This keeps the brand relevant and top of mind for consumers. From its humble beginnings in a North Carolina drugstore, Pepsi has become a global phenomenon. Its global reach is a testament to its enduring popularity and efficient distribution network. Section 8. A toast to innovation. Pepsi's legacy of technological advancement. Pepsi's journey from a local drink to a global icon is a testament to innovation. From its humble beginnings in a small pharmacy in New Bern, North Carolina, Pepsi has always been a brand that looks forward. From its early days, PepsiCo has embraced technology. The company was quick to adopt new methods and machinery to streamline production and ensure consistency and quality. This has allowed them to improve their production processes, enhance product quality, and reach a wider audience. The introduction of automated production lines and robotic arms has revolutionized the way Pepsi is made, ensuring that each bottle meets the highest standards. The company's commitment to technological advancement is evident in its state-of-the-art factories. These facilities are equipped with the latest technology, from advanced bottling systems to sophisticated quality control measures. These factories are marvels of engineering and automation. Engineers and technicians work tirelessly to maintain and improve these systems, ensuring that Pepsi remains a leader in the beverage industry. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect PepsiCo to remain at the forefront of innovation. The company is constantly exploring new technologies and methods to enhance its production capabilities and meet the ever-changing demands of consumers. The company will continue to find new and better ways to produce and distribute its products. From advanced logistics centers to automated sorting systems, PepsiCo is dedicated to ensuring that its products are delivered quickly and efficiently to consumers around the world. This dedication to innovation ensures that Pepsi will continue to quench the thirst of millions around the world for generations to come. Whether it's through new flavors, sustainable packaging, or cutting-edge marketing strategies, Pepsi is always looking for ways to stay ahead of the curve. Cheers to Pepsi, a refreshing blend of tradition and technological advancement. As we raise our glasses, we celebrate not just a beverage, but a legacy of innovation that continues to inspire and refresh.